So as all of you know, to solve this kind of question, we have to place this equation equal to 0. So whatever has been given, you have to use this RA term, and you have to place this equation is equal to 0. So you have to take all the equations to the one side. So you have to create the first characteristic equation, and then you have to find the roots of this equation, and based on the multiplicity of this roots which you will find by using these equations, you have to write the homogeneous solution of that equations. So try this question and just let me know what will be the characteristic equation of this question. Pallavi, Pallavi,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
better
ma'am.
please take a screenshot of the students. I don't know the network issues over there, so it can happen. The class can be disconnected in between. So take a
Okay,
screenshot
ma'am.
of the student.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
I'm not leaving the class. I'm just saying that take a screenshot of the class. If it happens, the class is disconnected in between. So you can share the screenshot of that class.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm not saying to leave the class. Okay, two questions are there. First of all, you have to tell me the what can be the characteristic equation of the first question. What will be the characteristic equation of the first question? So who is going to tell me what will be the equation of first question?
Ma'am, 2 alpha square minus alpha plus 5.
No. You haven't given the AR at time, and I have told you for solving the homogeneous solution, you have to put this equation is equal to 0. So all the things
Alpha square
right.
minus alpha plus 1 is equal to 0.
Okay, let me finish. So all the things which are at the right hand side of the equal sign, you have to bring it to the left hand side of this, and then place this value is equal to 0.
Ma'am, a cube minus 2a square plus a minus 5.
No, beta. What is the order of this equation?
Ma'am, second,
Ma'am,
alpha square
second.
minus 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to 0.
Obviously, if we have the second order equations, obviously we will start from the alpha square.
Yes, ma'am.
So alpha square minus 2 alpha minus 1.
Yes, ma'am. Plus,
So as the
no,
5 is
plus
not-
1.
Sorry, plus 1. So as the 5 is not having the RA term, so it will be discarded and we will have the only equal to 0. So your equations
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be alpha square minus 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to 0.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will get the two roots which is similar, that is the minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 and
No, ma'am,
minus
1. Ma'am, 1. I'm getting 1 as it.
only 1.
Yes, ma'am, 1. Matlab,
Ma'am, plus 1 as both
The
roots.
minus 1 and
Yes, ma'am.
minus 1. So there are
no,
two roots,
plus 1 and 1.
only 1.
No, ma'am, plus 1 and plus 1. Ma'am, we are getting roots in both. We are positive 1.
Okay, I'm sorry. I have done a mistake. This is minus 2. Okay, if we are having the 1 also, so obviously there will be the 2 root that is equal to 1. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You are
Okay.
audible.
I'm just saying that if the minus sign is there, so there will be the 2 root that is the minus 1 and minus 1. If plus 2 is there, then also then also there will be 2 root that is the plus 1. So obviously doesn't matter if it is a plus 1 or minus 1. Basically you are getting the two roots which are similar. So how do we write these equations if we are using the homogeneous solution? If one root is similar, so how do we write that? We have discussed in the previous class. Since there are two roots, so and both the roots are one, positive one as you are seeing, so the equations will be like a1. So equations will be like a1 plus
A2.
a2, or you can say the a2 r in the form of subscript, and if it is minus 1, so we can use the minus 1 raised to power r. Minus 1 raised to power r. Fine. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So if roots are similar, so we have to write with the equations like this: a1 plus a2r and minus 1 raised to power r. So if you are getting the plus 1, so you can write the plus 1 raised to power r. If you are getting the minus 1, you can say it's minus 1 raised to power r. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For the next equation, what will be the characteristics equation? What will be the characteristics equation of the second question?
Alpha square minus alpha plus 6 is equal to 0.
Alpha square minus alpha square plus alpha minus 6. Alpha square plus alpha minus 6, and that will be equal to 0. Alpha square plus alpha minus 6, and that will be equal to 0. So obviously you will get the two roots, that is the 2 and minus 3. So how it will be written if you are using the homogeneous solution?
Ma'am, A1 into 2 to the power R plus A2 into minus 3 to the power.
A1 into 2 raised to power r plus A2 minus 3 raised to power r.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Kirana, I'm saying lately from the starting that I have the network issue. So there can be the problem today. There is network issue, so that's why I'm not clearly audible. All of you can try the question which is given in the back side of your questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Just give me 1 minute. I will let you know the which kind of question you can solve. Mm, this one. So these are the question 9.1 and 9.2. 9.1, 9.2.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can try this question 9.1 and 9.2 for solving the recurrence relations.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Try the third question. Try the third questions, beta. What will be the equation?
Alpha cube minus alpha square
Alpha square plus
plus
8
8
alpha
alpha
plus 2.
minus 12 is equal to 0.
Alpha cube
minus alpha square
minus alpha
Minus
square.
alpha square plus 8 alpha minus 12 is equal to 0.
Okay. So, and what will be the root? What will be the root, beta? What will be the root for these equations? What will be the root, beta?
Ma'am, we are solving it.
Hello? What will be the root? 2?
Solving.
Okay, solving. Okay, I will tell the answer. There are 3 roots for these equations. 2, comma 2, comma minus 3. So are you able to find the roots of this equation? That is 2, comma 2, comma minus 3.
Yes, ma'am.
So how will you write the homogeneous solution of this equation?
Ma'am, A1 plus A2
Yes, A1 plus A2R into 2 raised to power R plus A3 into minus 3 raised to power R.
Just एक
Yes,
बार
ma'am.
repeat करो फिर से.
Ma'am, A1 plus A2R
Hmm.
bracket into
Yes.
2 raised to the power
2 raised
R
to power
plus
R
Fine.
plus 8
plus
Right.
plus
plus
A3.
A3 into minus 3 raised to power R.
Okay, fine. Correct. बिल्कुल correct. So now you are able to find the homogeneous solution of this any equation. So to find the homogeneous solution of any equations, I repeat, the first of all you have to make the characteristic equation based on the order of this equation. So if r minus 2 is there and r minus 1 is there, so based on that value, you will have to create the characteristic equation. So if r minus 2 is there, it means it is a second order equation. If r minus 3 is there, it will be the third order equation. And based on that, you will get the roots of this equation. And based on the multiplicity of that roots, you will write the homogeneous solution. Means if there are the multiplicity of 2, so you will use the like a1 plus a2r. If there are multiplicity 3, so you can write a1 plus a2r plus a3r square. Or you can, if there are the 3 different roots, so you can use the a1r plus a2, like a1 that roots raised to power r, then a2 that roots raised to power r, then a3 that roots raised to power r. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So to calculate the homogeneous solution, so obviously we have to, first we have to find the total solution. To find the total solution, first we need to find the homogeneous solution. If you are able to find the homogeneous solution, then only we can find the particular solution, and then we can solve the total solution of that equation. So till now we have just solved the homogeneous solution of a equation. Particular solution we will solve in the next class. Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So that's for today, beta. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thanks to all of you, and I'm sorry.
No problem, ma'am.
Okay.